Hello and welcome to this video. This is lesson 2. We're going to be talking about modeling data and our unit on data and regression. This is the second lesson in our unit on data and regression. Last lesson we talked about graphing data. This lesson is about modeling data, finding the line of best fit. After this, we're going to talk about making predictions from the line of best fit. In this lesson, we're only going to cover how to use Desmos to model data, and then I'll leave y'all for the independent practice. So Desmos is an app we'll be using to actually determine the line of best fit. We would use a calculator if we're in person, but Desmos is a great online program. You can access it using a computer at desmos.com, or you can actually get the app, and it's called Desmos Graphing Calculator, and it works really well. So the first step to modeling data is to actually put the data into a table in Desmos. So to do that, you need to go to the plus symbol and select Table. From there, you're going to have the ability to input data, and you need to put in the data just as you're given into the X and Y columns. The next step is to actually tell Desmos which function we want to model. So we've got three choices: our linear, our quadratic, and our exponential functions. To tell Desmos which one to use, we type in the function, and we use this symbol, the approximate symbol, which is like a squiggly line. Lowercase or sub number 1 is approximately a x sub 1 plus b. That's a linear function, and then this one is for a quadratic, and lastly this one is for an exponential. How do you get those symbols? They're in the keyboard. You kind of have to look for them. Y and x are right here. To get the sub number, you have to press this symbol, a sub b, and then to get the squiggly line or the approximate symbol, you have to find it here on the keyboard. So once you type these in, you're going to get an output that looks like these. It's going to tell you r squared, and it's going to tell you a and b all the way to a number of decimal places. We're only going to be interested in 3 decimal places. So that is the output that you need from Desmos. Those numbers tell you the line of best fit. And as you can see in this example, comparing the r's, you see they're all pretty close, but this one is the highest. So this function models it the best. That's it, you're done. So once you complete those steps, you will have the line of best fit, and you can see how well the function modeled the data based on r squared. Alright, so go ahead and work on the Google form that I put into the Google Classroom. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about predicting values using those lines of best fit. Please be sure to send me an email or join me during my office hours on Zoom if you have any questions. Best of luck.